Hi, I'm Chris. Today I will explain you how to use software for Huaris power meter.
Hi, in this movie I would like to show you how to work with Huaris Power Meter software. The software is very simple, it's just one window with all options on the top. Well, first of all, I would like to draw attention to the upper left corner of the window. The first button I would like to present is named Freeze. It allows you to stop the measurement at any point, and then you can resume it also at any point. Then you can also generate a PDF report with the measurement data visible in the software. In the second section called Settings, you can change few things. First of all, you can change the measurement frequency. So essentially, you can modify how frequently the power will be measured. Here I've set 500 milliseconds, so essentially half a second. And this means that every half a second another value will be displayed here in the following section. And also another value will be added to the graph, to the plot below, every half a second. Below you can select the range. There are three options: 300 milliwatts, 3 watts, 15 watts. So here, as you can see, I should probably work with 300 milliwatts. Then you should specify here the wavelength of your laser. And then there is option that we've added. It's called correction factor. Correction factor is essentially a trick that deals with the values. The values section has two parts. Upper part, named raw, is the value that basically is delivered to the head of the power meter. Then there is a calibrated value, and the calibrated value is calculated from multiplication of raw value by the correction factor. This is used when, for example, you have a beam splitter and you want to measure the power meter in the continuous mode. If we now, for example, assume that your beam splitter divides the beam into two portions, one of, for example, 25% of the intensity goes to the power meter and the rest goes somewhere else to do the work in your setup, then the multiplication or correction factor could be set to 4, because the original power is 4 times higher than what is delivered to the power meter head. Using this trick, you can observe not only how much power is delivered to the measurement head, but how much of it is exactly emitted by the laser. Then the following section is called Cloud. Now it's disconnected. The cloud option basically means that you can send the measurement data to the cloud, to the Huaris cloud that we talked about also on the occasion when describing the software for our beam profilers. And the cloud software gives you a lot more of functionalities. For example, long-term data storage, some AI analytics, some alarms, etc. This will be available for you only after we add your power meter to the cloud system first. So, well, if it doesn't work for you, for example, just let us know and we will check if it was added there. Section named Huaris has 3 buttons. The first button is basically a link to our product web page. Then information about the Huaris is provided if you click the second button. And the third button is an option to automatically send the logs to us if you suffer from some troubles when using the program. And you have an option to select the language. Here I would like to mention that language here, it has only two options, but the cloud itself, it has several languages to display the interface in. That's it for the moment. I'm very happy you went through it with me, and I would be very happy to invite you to check out our other movies on the channel. Thank you very much.